Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership. Today I bring you this fantastic offering from Jaguar, this stunning XF saloon. This particular example here is powered by a 3-litre V6 engine with 300 PS worth of power and finished in Eiger grey metallic paintwork. This particular example should definitely be on top of your shortlist as it features loads of optional extras from the factory. In the front, optionally upgraded adaptive LED headlights will automatically adjust the beam not to cause dazzle or glare. As an approved used vehicle, it will also benefit from a 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, as well as 7-day driveway insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side of this vehicle, you will also have got the benefit of these 19-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers, which really complement the Eiger grey paint very nicely. And other great features will also include electrically operated heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy tinted windows that have been optionally upgraded from the rear. Passengers in the rear of the cabin won't be complaining, as the cabin offers loads of legroom and headroom and is finished in the upgraded ebony black with light oyster stitching seats. It offers a fantastic feeling throughout the cabin, as well as really brightens up the whole experience. For ease of use, optionally upgraded keyless entry and start system is also available, and as we move around the back, full LED taillight technology is available with these prominent twin exhaust pipes. Although it is a saloon, the boot space offers a wide opening, great for 3, maybe even 4 carry-on suitcases. Rear seats can be folded down in a 40-20-40 split seats as well, and there are also shopping hooks available to hang up any delicate items, with even a space-saver spare wheel just in case. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin won't be any different. Premium cabin and materials will be used throughout, offering a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with front seats offering additional side lumbar support for comfort, and those seats are fully electrically adjustable thanks to the 10-way system. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar XF. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoy watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Jaguar XF, you won't want to get out, that's for sure. The cabin feels incredibly premium and those seats are incredibly comfortable. The overall layout of the cabin and driver control panels will operate wing mirrors and electric windows, and there is even an upgraded Meridian surround sound system. Steering wheel will offer paddle shifts, cruise control and a speed limiter, with the left side operating the trip computer and even Bluetooth. The color TFT screen will have everything at your fingertips, offering various driver safety modes such as collision avoidance, lane departure warning, and it's even been upgraded with the optional blind spot assist system. Traffic sign recognition camera will identify speed limits as you drive along on the move. Various drive modes will also be on offer, such as rain, ice, snow, eco mode for efficiency, normal for day-to-day drives, and the dynamic for a more sporty feel if you prefer. The large 10-inch center screen will also have various entertainment offerings. It will unlock the likes of full satellite navigation mapping for UK and Western Europe with both 3D and 2D views. Pairing your phone's Bluetooth is also incredibly easy, and the radio stations will offer both AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. The car also comes with upgraded heated front seats, but also climate ventilated seats, which are great for the hot summer months, allowing you to cool down or heat up the seats accordingly. Other great features in the vehicle will also unlock the benefit of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone mirroring interface, and there is even a built-in web browser allowing you to surf the net whilst on the move. To help with parking, rear view parking camera is also upgraded by a full 360-degree area view parking camera system with a wide angle system too. Additionally, other great systems with this vehicle will also include the iDynamic mode, which will allow you to optimize the feel of your car as well, especially in the dynamic mode for a true sportier feel. And one of my favorite features of this vehicle, which are especially great in the evening, is the optionally upgraded Ambient light pack featuring various colors to really brighten up the cabin to set the mood just right, whatever you're feeling. It looks incredibly handsome in the evening too. Underneath the screen, easy-to-use physical controls for the 2-zone climate control system will be on offer, and the car even benefits from a heated front windscreen, which is great for those frosty mornings. There's additional cup holder storage and a large center armrest featuring 2 USB connectors, great for keeping your phone's battery topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XFS that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, get in touch with our friendly sales team today on 01270 445 200, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.